Welcome to day 11 of our easy 28-day declutter challenge. This week, we're bringing in some serious love to the heart of your home, the living room. Today, we're focusing on your home entertainment area to declutter and organize your DVDs, CDs, and video games. Let's turn your collection into a space that is amazing. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. Today kicks off our living room focus week, and we're starting with your entertainment essentials, which are movies, music, and games. These items tend to accumulate quickly, but don't worry, we'll sort it all out together. And don't forget, you can grab your free printable checklist linked below to keep track of your progress. Each day of this challenge is bite-sized and easy to follow. Let's get started. Here is a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Today's task is all about creating an entertainment collection you love. We'll break it into two simple steps: DVDs and movies, as well as CDs and video games. If you don't have any DVDs, movies, CDs, or video games to go through, then feel free to choose something else off the list to do. As mentioned before, you don't have to follow the schedule in order. You can make it your own. For those who do have these items, let's start with step one. Step one, DVDs and movies. Start by gathering all your DVDs and movies in one place. Grab them from shelves, drawers, and even those hidden stacks you've forgotten about. Now, let's sort. Ask yourself, do I still watch this? Does this movie hold sentimental value? Is it a classic or a favorite? Keep the ones that you love and are family favorites. Let go of outdated or rarely watched titles. Consider donating or recycling them to free up space for the movies you truly love. Pro tip: organize your collection by genre, series, or favorites for easy access. If you're short on space, consider getting a DVD holder or case, and it helps free up some physical storage space. Step 2, CDs and video games. Now, let's tackle your music and gaming collection. Start the same way. Gather everything in one spot and sort through them all. Ask yourself, do I still listen to this or play this? Does this hold any sentimental value? Is this something my family still enjoys? Keep CDs and games you actually use or love. For the rest, consider donating or trading them in. There's someone out there who will appreciate them more than a dusty shelf. Storage tip: use compact organizers for CDs or transfer your music to a digital format for a clutter-free solution. For games, keep them in the original cases or use labeled bins for quick and easy access. And just like that, you've decluttered and streamlined your home entertainment haven. Doesn't it feel amazing to let go of the clutter and focus on what you truly enjoy? If you tackled today's mission, let me know in the comments below what's your item you were happy to part with and what's staying in your collection. I love TV. What shows are you watching? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're ready for day 12. You're doing an incredible job, and I can't wait to see the progress that you're making as we continue to transform your home one day at a time. See you tomorrow in the next video for day 12. Bye!
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!